you? How are you doing? It's your math teacher. Hi. How are you doing? It's your math teacher. Your math teacher, Murad Sultan. I am waiting for your coming. Okay. Please, Bushra, can you tell your friends to join the lecture, please? Okay. Tell them please to join the lecture. Okay. So how are you first? How are you doing? I wish that everything is okay about your Islamic exam today. Clear? The voice was clear or not?
Yes. The Bluetooth device is
Okay.
ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
I'll just check this one. So, my daughter, can we start our lecture? If it is possible, of course.
Yes.
Okay. Can you please send message to your friends? Tell them that we are online classes now, in order to start.
Okay. Now I will do.
Okay, my daughter. I will make sharing the screen. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. Now, my daughter, we move to exercise. خلاص, I will start, my daughter. Okay. Now the screen was clear for you, my daughter, or not? My screen is clear. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Just I will make a copy for this because I need this one. Okay. So today we will see. I will just give an exercise. You have your student book. Your student book, do you have? Okay, so I will write the exercise as it is. Okay. Okay. Here we have, I will write the exercise, my daughter. Exercise 23.10, page 522. This is the exercise. I will just solve exercise number 1. So, was it clear the screen, my daughter?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I will try to solve. The question is calculate or write down the order of the following matrices of the given matrices. Okay, the first one, my daughter, is small a. Small a is equal to 6. Then we have 3. Then we have 4. Then we have 1. So this matrix, my daughter, has an order of what? The order of this matrix is what? Is it 2 by 2 or 3 by 2 or 4 by 2? You can write your answer here if you'd like on the public chat. Malek, also you can write. How are you, my daughter? you can write, let's say, your answer here. Okay? So, we told if you have your student book page, open your course book page 522. Okay? Exercise number 1. We will see, or we will try to write down the order of matrices. This is this matrix. I will just erase this one. The first matrix, my daughter, is what? What is its order?
Teacher, is it 2 by 2?
Very good. So is a matrix of order 2 by 2. Excellent. Okay. Now we move to the second one. Small b we have like that also, but we have 2 rows and 3 columns. 2 rows, so we have 6 3, 6 3, then 0. Okay, 6 3, then we have 0, and here 4 we have 1. Okay, so this is it a square matrix or not a square matrix? It's not a square matrix. Why? Because the number of rows are different to the number of columns. So this is a matrix, of order. How many rows here? Only 2 rows. So of order 2 by how many columns? 1 column, 2, 3 columns. So this is the answer, my daughter. Okay, for small a and small b. At the same time, my daughter, try to write in order to go with us, let's say, to write, to let you write at the same time I'm writing. Okay, now question number C. We have another matrix. This is the matrix C. We have, yes.
أستاذ البنات ما فتح عندهم الاسم.
ما انفتح عندهم.
أيوة ما فتح.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. I will check. This is the session. I will check now. Edit setting. Okay, notify. So here we have Shamma, Fatima, Loreen, okay, Al-Balja, Malek, Bushra, Wafa, Ma'arib, Shada, Farah, Teacher, okay. All of them are here, my daughter. I will save and display. Let them try again. Okay? Let them try again. Okay. Dashboard. Okay. Just 1 second. I will check again. From the next class, we have this one also. I will make edit. I will check girls. So notify. Okay. So Al-Balja, Malek, Sham also are, all of them are here, my daughters. So I will join from this. Okay, I will join from this one. I will just close this one. Okay, then I will join again. Okay, I will join from this one. I will check the number of students.
The Bluetooth device is ready
Hello?
to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Hello.
The only person in this conference.
Okay. Hello, camera. Hi again. Hello again. This is okay. I'll go to dashboard. Okay. Okay. Hello, how are you? How are you doing? Hello. Hi again. Thanks to God that now you are, let's say all of you are joining the lecture. Thank you, so not thanks. Thank you a lot for being able to join your lecture, okay? Your lecture. So, we continue, my daughters. I will just share what is shared before telling me that my friends didn't, let's say, reach. They don't know what's the problem, so I refresh again the session. Then I got you, okay? So first of all, before starting, I'm gonna ask you a question. The sound, was it clear or not? The sound, was it clear or not, my daughters? Okay, you can write on the public chat. The sound, is it clear? Okay, good girl. So now I move to the sharing screen. Now the screen, was it clear also? Also. Okay. Wafa, yes. Farah, yes. Okay. So my daughters, I will go immediately to the lecture. Today I will solve with all the exercise 23.10, exercise number 1, page 522. If you have your course book, please don't hesitate to let it open on the same page that your teacher is working on it. Okay, this exercise I mean. Okay, this exercise, this one. But matrices is not exist in the new book, or the blue book. If you have, use this. Okay. So, but between parentheses, I will write the question as it is. I will go back. So we told sub question A, the matrix 6314 is a matrix of order 2 by 2. Why? Simply because we have 2 rows and 2 columns. So this one also, between parentheses, you can write it's a square matrix. Okay? It's a square matrix. The second one is not a square matrix. Why, my daughter? Simply because the number of the rows is not equal to the number of columns. So you can see here the number of rows we have. This is the first row, this is the second row. But the number of columns, this is number 3, column number 2, and column number 1. So we have 2 rows and 3 columns. So it's called a matrix of order 2 by 3. 2 denotes or represent the number of rows, 3 represent the number of columns. Okay, now we move to the second question. Sub question C, we have only I will just erase this. We have only 3 rows and 2 columns. So we have 6, 3, 6, then we have 1, 2, 1, this is 2, okay, then we have 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, and 5, okay. This is, my daughters, what is the order of this matrix? This one, I mean, only this one. Clear? I will just to make this copy. Yes?
Which one?
It's not clear.
No.
Okay. Just a moment. Okay, I will. Okay, just a moment. I'll just check this one, my daughter. Okay, Bluetooth. Open setting.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Okay. So, now the voice was clear. Yes? Was it
The
clear?
Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Okay. So we continue with all that. I'll just make a copy. Then I will make 6314 and here 25. This is 5 and this one 2. Okay, this matrix, my daughter, what is the order of this? You can write your answers on your public chat.
The picture is 3 by 3.
Good girl. So the order of this matrix is 2 by 3, correct. So I will just write a matrix is a matrix of order 2 by 3. Or
Picture rows C 2 by 3.
just a moment. Your friend told 2 by 3 means we have 2 rows. But here, my daughter, we have how many rows? Rows number 1, rows number 2, rows number 3. And how many columns?
Teacher, number B or C?
Number C, my daughter. 6, 3, 1,
Number
4.
C is 3 by 3.
Yes, very good. That's why I'm telling her. So it will be 3 by 2. Good girl. Now move to the sub question D. We have 2 and what else? And 7. So what's this, my daughters? Is a matrix of order what? How many rows here? How many rows?
Teacher, there's nothing. We're on the first page.
This one, my daughter. Do you see this one? 2, 7.
No.
Okay. Farah 3 by 3. Are you sure, Farah, my daughter? Malak 3 by 3. Small c, my daughters, we told 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Clear? Now move to small d. Small d. So the screen was clear? 3 by 2. The screen was clear, my daughter?
I can't see it smaller. Teacher, I think the screen is frozen.
Okay, my daughter, just one moment, I will check again. Okay. Okay, I'm looking for answering sub-question D. The sub-question D, my daughters, is that this matrix 2, 7, what is its order?
Teacher, there is no picture.
There is no picture. Okay, I already shared, my daughter. Okay, I will do it again. Just a moment. Maybe a problem connection or something like that, but we will try to solve this problem as soon as possible. Screenshot, please go. Okay, screenshot. I will wait for you also. Okay, now it's clear. Okay, is it clear?
Is that?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Now at least it's clear, my daughter.
No. Yes, it's not.
Okay. If you can't see the screen, enter again, my daughter. The others you can see?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Farah, you can see? F. Farah, you can see? Malak, okay. Shama, you can see? You can write your answer down. Okay, so all of you are seeing the screen. Now I will continue. Clear? صوت بيتقطع. Maybe problem connection, my daughter. Maybe problem connection. Shama, may the problem.
Your voice is not clear, and the PowerPoint or the problems is not shown on the screen.
Okay, my daughter Farah, you told that the sound is not clear and the screen sometimes it's disappeared. Okay, we will see what's the problem. I hope so that I'm not, let's say, very skilled in computer, but I will try to manage this one. Okay, I will share again.
Also, your view, like your video, is frozen.
Okay, maybe because of the AC, because the AC is working. I will close the AC, okay? I will close the AC and tell me if the sound was clear or not. I'll just stop it. Okay, Bismillah. Oh, okay. It's not bad. Now, my daughter, the sound was clear now. The sound was clear. The sound, my sound was clear because me, I'm hearing to you. Okay. Okay, my daughter. This is a problem of connection, my daughter. Okay? Anyway, so can we continue, my daughter? Can we continue?
Yes.
Okay. So here we told that this one is a matrix of order. How many rows? Only one. How many columns? Two. So good girl. So just write 1 by 2. Clear? Please write this as possible as you can. The next, my daughters, it's very easy. For F is 1 by 1. For G is 2 by 1. Okay, I will just make correction here, no problem. I will make the correction here for exercise number 1. We told for E is what? E is 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Then we have F. F is a matrix of order 1 by 1. 1 by 1. Then G, we have G, yes, is a matrix of order 2 by 1. 2 by 1. And H is a matrix of order 3 by 1. 3 rows and 1 columns. 3 by 1. And the last one, I, is the matrix of order 3 by 3. 3 by 3. This is the correction for the sub-question. The sub-question E, then F, then G, then H. I will just make here to distinguish between that and this. Okay. This is the answers of the other sub-questions, my daughters. Okay? If you finish, let me go to the second part, my daughters. If you finish writing, I will go to the next slide, to the next connection. You are disconnected. Why? Okay, to the next slide. Did you finish?
Yes.
Okay, now I will move to the next part, which is addition and subtraction of matrices. Addition and subtraction of matrices. Okay, this is the title of the second part. I will just make now small. I thought it's clear like that. Okay, Now, my daughters, I will give you an example. The question is at, or I will do this one. I will do both. Okay. Okay, 20, 30, 30, 30, 30. It's clear. Okay. The question here, add A to B. Okay. Add the matrix A to matrix B. Okay. But here I will just erase one here. Or I'll make, okay, then here I will erase this. This one is minus 2. Okay, my daughters, here we have two matrices. Okay, we have A and B. The question is, try to find the total of these two matrices. You will do what exactly? Means you will try to, this is A. Good girl. So, I will make here, my daughters, I will go down. I will make A plus B. It will be equal to, what is A? This is A. I will copy and paste it here. Sorry. Okay. Then plus what? Plus B. B is that. Okay. So it will be equal to, I will erase this, of course. Okay. Then I will erase that. Here it's very easy. I will just erase this. Then I will explain this for you. How can you add? Sorry. Look, my daughters, I'll just make enter. It's very important to know how can you add and subtract matrices. Okay. We have, this is matrix A. I wrote it here. Plus, this is a plus B. The matrix B is minus 2, 0, 1, 1. To find the total of these two matrices, you will just make 6 plus negative 2. You will make here 6 plus negative 2. In the first square here, I will make 6 plus negative 2. This is in the first one, minus. Okay. Then the second one, it will be 3 plus 0. 3 plus 0, I will write it here. 3 plus 0. Then we move to the second row, first column. Second row, first column. Plus second row, first column of the matrix B. Means I will move to the first or the second row, first columns of matrix A plus second row, first column of matrix B, then I will write the answer here. It will be 1 plus 1. I will write it there. Then the second one, the second row, second column, plus second row, second column. It will be 4 plus 1. Then I will calculate it, just calculation. It will be equal to, I will make another matrix. Okay, copy. This one, my daughters, we have 6 minus 2 is what? 6 minus 2 is 4. Good, I will write 4. Then we have 3 plus 0. 3, I will write here, my daughter. 3. Then we have 1 plus 1. The first one, 1 plus 1 is 2. I will write here 2. Then the second columns, the value of the second row, second columns, I will try to add 4 plus 1 gives 5. Clear or not clear? Okay, this is how can you add, my daughters, two matrices. Okay, this is the last answer. Please take notes.
Teacher, I'm sorry, but the screen is frozen.
Okay, the screen was closed.
All of us.
Okay, my daughter.
Frozen.
Sorry?
The screen is frozen. It's like stuck. It's not showing what you're doing.
Okay, my daughter, I will just reshare it again. Don't worry. I will stop sharing. Then I will share it again, my daughter. Don't worry. Okay. Bismillah. I'm waiting for the sharing. It took some second maybe. I just click on the share the screen, but it doesn't come. I will do it again. Okay. Okay. You see now? Okay. So, you see the screen?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. So, my daughters, try to write this as quick as you can. Then I will give you another example and try to find the total of these two matrices. In fact, addition is as like as subtraction. Just put the negative sign and subtract. Clear? If you finish, my daughters, let your teacher know. Now I will give you an exercise. And you will try to do it, okay? You will try to do this exercise. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Did you write this? Finish?
Yes.
Okay, I will now change the numbers. 0, -3, -2. Okay, this is -2, okay, 2. You will now write a new question. This exercise you will do it, my daughters. Okay? I'll just check. This is, okay, -2, I'll make 1. This is, I'll make 1. And then, this is 3. And this is, okay, 3. This is -1. Clear? Sorry, my daughter. This is -1. Clear?
Yes.
The question is add. Find the total. Find the total. Find the total. Find their total. Their total. Okay, this is the question. I will just, instead of writing this, I will put this here to simplify the work for you. Okay, then I will move to the second one, the matrix B. I will put it here. Then you will continue yourself, and each one should tell me what is the answer. At least you will be okay. What is the correct answer? I will just erase this Okay, but here I will write 1, here 1, this is 0, this is 0, and this is 0. Yalla, my daughters, try to work in a hurry and check that the total of these two matrices is equal to the unit matrix. Okay. This one is equal to unit matrix. Okay. Who found the first? What is the total? Yes. Is it the same as that?
Yes.
Good girl. Okay. I will explain this for the others. We have 0 plus 1 is what? Is 1. This is 1. Then negative 3 plus 3 is 0. Good girl. Then 1 plus negative 1 means 1 minus 1 is 0. Then we have 3 minus 2. It will be 1. This matrix, girls, it's called a unit matrix. And a unit matrix is written as that. The diagonal value is equal to 1, 1. Only 1, not negative 1. 1, 1. Clear? It's called unit matrix. Clear? As it is clear, I will go to the next slide. Okay, the others I will move to the second slide. Copy and paste. Now, subtraction of matrices. The question is now subtract. Find, I'll just put here. Find A minus B. Okay, here we have A, the matrix A, the matrix B. I will try to find the difference between both matrices. I will, instead of writing plus, I will write here what? Minus. So, this one, my daughters, should be equal to what? Can we work together? What is the first value? Is 0, isn't it? 0. I will write here 0. Okay. Then we have a negative sign. You see this negative sign? This negative sign. This one. Okay, I will write it here. 0 minus. Minus what? We told 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1. I will write it here. Then the second. Move to the second, the first row. The first row, second column, the value of this. This is negative 3. I will write it here. Then I will subtract a 3. Okay, so it will be negative 3. Negative 3. Then I move to the second. Now we move to the second row, first column. Second row, first column. This is 1. This is minus. This is minus 1. It will be 1 minus minus 1. I will write it here. 1 minus, between parentheses, minus 1. Then we move to the second row, daughters. Second row, second column. The value is what? Is negative 2. I will subtract 3 from negative 2. There is also a negative sign, don't forget, because we will work A minus B. The minus always with you. Okay, so it will be minus 2. I will write here minus 2. Minus 2, then minus 3, minus 3. So this one should be equal to what, my learners? It's just calculation. You will check your calculation, of course. Try to calculate this. So 0 minus 1 is minus 1. I will write that. Good. minus 3, both numbers have the same sign. Add them, then put the negative sign, negative 6. It will be negative 6. Sorry, negative 6. Negative 6. Negative 6. Clear. Then, look here. Minus 1 minus is positive. 1 plus 1 is 2. Good. I will write here 2. Then, now move to the second one. Minus 2, minus 3. Both numbers are negative. Add them, then put the negative sign. It will be negative 5, minus 5, etc. This is the last answer. How can you subtract two matrices? Please hurry up. You have only 7 minutes. Okay. I wish that the lesson was clear, my daughter. Please, if it is not clear, don't hesitate. Ask the question. I am here to answer you. Okay? We go to the second. Okay. Now we'll change the numbers and you will do it yourself, my daughter. Okay, 1 minus 1, then okay, so it will be 1. Clear? This is minus 1. So we have two matrices. The matrix A is 0, minus 1, 1, 2. The matrix B is minus 1, minus 1, 1, 1. Okay? The question is, find A minus B. A minus B, I will make here minus 1. Clear? And here 1, 2. Then the negative sign is here. The red one is a negative sign. The second matrix is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Okay. Then here 1 and here 1. Now I will give you time to find the answer. We have 0, minus 1. Minus is positive. I will make here minus 1 between parentheses, minus 1. Okay. Then the second one we have minus 1 minus 1. So minus 1 here, minus 1. Sorry. Okay, I will erase the 3. So the first one, we finished the first row. We subtract the first row of the second matrix from the first row of the first matrix. So we make what exactly? We make 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1. Then the second, we have minus 1 minus 1. So minus 1 minus 1. We move to the second one. We have 1 minus what? Minus 1. So I'll just make here 1 minus 1. Okay. Then for the second row, second columns is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, I will write here 2 minus 1. Clear? Now you can calculate it. 0 minus 1 is what? Is 1. And minus 1 minus is positive. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. I will write here 0. Okay. Then 1 minus 1, my daughters, is 0. I will write here 0. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. Then we finish it, the correction of this quotient. Okay? I hope that everything was clear. I wish that you got the point. You got the point. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening. Listen. I will stop recording here.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, my daughters. I will give you time to write. Thank you, my daughter. Thank you. You are welcome. Thank you, my daughters. A lot of things. I will give you time to write. If you finish it, you can go wherever you want to go. Okay, you are free. It left only 1 minute. Yes?
I took a picture.
You cannot see?
No, I took a picture.
Okay, no problem, my daughter. So see you next time, inshallah. Okay?
Have a nice day.
Thank you, my daughter. Thank you. Shall I close and end the meeting?
Yes.
Okay, my
Yes.
daughter. Thank you. Thank you for listening. I'll just now go and end the meeting. Okay, end the meeting. And goodbye. Bye-bye. Salam alaikum.